If you are someone who likes to do simple and easy to do recipes, this is another recipe that I'm going to show you how to do a lemon slice with Maria cookies. And for this recipe, I'm using some fresh lemons, 4 large lemons and 1 can condensed milk, 100 grams melted butter, 1 cup desiccated coconut, a teaspoon of vanilla and 1 packet 250 grams Marie or Maria biscuit. This is a really simple and easy recipe to do, and this is a no bake recipe too. So let's start doing it. You can add lots of lemon zest or just enough to give the lemony taste. So I'm going to get the zest of 1 lemon. When you get the zest, make sure that you don't get the white part out, only the top part. So leave 1 lemon aside and squeeze the rest, the 3 of them, into the bowl. So squeeze the lemon into the bowl. After, into the lemon juice add 1 cup of coconut, and into that add the melted butter. Then add a teaspoon vanilla and next the can of condensed milk. After, mix it well. So some lemons are juicy and some are not. So always it depends on the size of the lemons that you are using. After, open the packet of Maria cookies and break them into the mixture. Don't worry about breaking into small pieces. Break it roughly. So you can add more cookies after mixing it once, then add more. Mix again. After, take any size of a baking tray that you like. If you like it higher, you can use a small baking tray, or if not, you can use a long tray to give a medium height. So after, put the mixture in. If you find this is runny, you can always add a bit more cookies into it. After, press it down. After, wash your hands and wet properly and press down the cookies as much as you can. After, put it in the fridge about half an hour to set. To finish the rest of the recipe, 2 cups of icing sugar and the lemon that we left. So squeeze the lemon into the icing, but make sure that you don't do it at once, and mix. After mixing, the consistency has to be like this. Don't add too much lemon juice. In case if you add more, you can add more icing sugar to balance it. Now get the slice that we left in the fridge to set and then pour the icing on top. Using a spatula, spread the icing. Now cover and put this back in the fridge. So the slice is ready and I left it overnight, and this is how it is. So I'm going to take it out. When you leave the paper a bit longer, it becomes like 2 handles to take it out. So let's cut it and see. You can cut this as squares or bars. So I'm going to cut this into 3. If you take a slice, this is how it is. It's a really soft and a moist slice that you can serve this with a nice cup of tea or coffee or even as a dessert. Hope you will enjoy. See you next time.